Hey guys, welcome to my first screencast. As you can see on the screen, I'm here to talk to you guys about American Eagle, my favorite clothing brand. So let's get into it. So, as soon as you pull up the page, 25% off everything. The reason why I love American Eagle, one of the many reasons, is because they're always having a sale, as you can see. And it even says including jeans and new arrivals. And I love the fact that they said that because a lot of the time when they are having a sale, they don't include jeans. And their jeans are a bit on the expensive side, so the fact that they're having a sale on it right now, definitely going to take advantage of that. But it's not about me. Anyways, moving on. Actually, one more thing. I love the fact that, boom, right off the bat, not only are they advertising the sale in big letters, but they have the cute clouds and the pinks and just really grabbing the customer's attention. So I really like the fact that they do that as well. Moving down on the homepage, they're also having a sale on their clearance. It's up to it's not up to, it's 60 to 70% off, which is another deal that I will be taking advantage of after this recording. But yeah, so you can always catch American Eagle on a sale, literally. Even I will admit that they're full price clothes, so let's move down to new arrivals right here. Their full price clothes usually are on the expensive side, but like I said, you can always catch them on a sale. And I skipped this one, but they are also having a sale on their clearance jeans, $20 and up. A regular full priced pair of jeans from American Eagle would probably go for 45 to $55. So the fact that they're having jeans from $20 and up is definitely great. And I already said stuff about the new arrivals, but you can always catch them on a sale. Another reason why I do like American Eagle is that they are a very inclusive brand. And you can even tell by their models. I mean, this model on the left is a bit on the thicker side, which I love. And she's obviously wearing a pair of American Eagle jeans, but the fact that they can fit her, when you think of models on New York City runway for Fashion Week, you're not going to see a model like this, or you're not even going to see a model like this one on the right. And I would probably say that because of his long hair, but I like the fact that American Eagle is very inclusive. And boom, another sale. So there's my point on that. Going back to the inclusiveness on their models, the white male model, he has freckles. Now, if you guys don't know, I mean, men wear makeup too when they're modeling. For example, this is a female, but Demi Lovato, people don't even know that she has freckles, but she wears so much makeup that her foundation covers it. I like the fact that American Eagle didn't do this with this male model because freckles are beautiful and, we should teach people to embrace it because not everyone has it. So, I really appreciate that they're telling him like, yo, you really need to embrace your difference, your uniqueness because not everyone has freckles. This is the same model as the top. Obviously, she's wearing a different outfit, but in this one, she also has her nose piercing. So I like the fact that they did that too. I think that's all I have to say about American Eagle. I didn't really get into showing you guys all their clothes, or I mean, I can just talk for hours about American Eagle, but this video would be way too long. But to sum up everything that I've touched upon, I like American Eagle because you can always catch them on a sale. They are very inclusive with their models. And one thing that I didn't say about their jeans is I'm a tall girl. I'm 5'8". So typical clothing companies that sell jeans don't have, jeans that'll go down to my ankle or below my ankle because I'm so tall. So they tend to be high water. But that's not the case with American Eagle. I have, I only shop, I only get my jeans from American Eagle, and the reason why is because they have talls. So they'll have an 8 tall. That's the size that I am, and I really appreciate the fact that they are inclusive not only with their models but with their clothes. They have sizes up to 00 to 16, I want to say, and I think online you can order bigger sizes. So I'm going to filter it real quick, and this is the last thing that I'm going to do. If I wanted to say, okay, I only want size, my size. So my size would be 8 long. And as you can see, they have even extra long for people who are taller than me, 5'8". And they also have extra short. So they have everything for everyone. Literally anyone can find anything that they like on American Eagle. Not to mention that the clothes that they have are trendy and is what everybody's wearing. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you guys in my next screencast, hopefully. Bye.